So I like to spice up my foods a little bit and make them taste good, but if you look at the ingredients on a lot of your traditional spices, you're going to find some things in there that you're probably not happy with, and that was my case. So I started buying these. These are FlavorGod seasonings, and they are a much cleaner seasoning in my opinion. They come with a lot more natural ingredients, things that you're actually going to recognize when you read through the ingredients. They come in lots of different flavors. I have it in like a 6-pack, and you can tell which ones I really like because I'm almost out of the ranch. Just adding ranch flavoring to any of your food, awesome. But they have things like bacon lovers, and honey barbecue is actually really good. Fiesta sweet and tangy seasoning. They have pizza flavored if you want to add pizza flavor to your foods. I also do like keto bagels with a little bit of butter and this chocolate donut powder on top of it. Excellent. But the claim to fame behind them is that they are chemical and they are filler free. You're just getting the exact seasonings you need in order to make the food taste good, rather than all the different preservatives and fillers and chemicals that may be in a lot of the traditional seasonings you might find on your shelf. So if you are health conscious at all and you want to change the way you are seasoning your food, this is one of the companies that I buy from and that I am enjoying and that I would definitely recommend.